have deer in front of me. I can hear him grunting in there in this thicket, chasing does. There's one down here. Walking through that thicket. He's a nice one. Chasing does, chasing does. I don't know if I got the shot on tape. I mean, it's 7:30. Shaking. Well, there's my season. This is one heck of a short video. He's down right down there. Whew. Shaking. Hold on. Gun's unsafe. He was through here chasing does and I heard him grunt. He was growling. I don't know if it got on video. I don't even know if I got the shot on video. It happened so quick. I'm hunting this big thicket in here and you can't see a whole lot. I saw movement up here ahead of me. I have a trail camera up here. I might have got him on that right before he came in. But he looks to be a nice 8-point. First day of rifle here in Pennsylvania. But he came in growling on my grunt tube here. I wasn't going to bring it. You know, being so thick, I thought I better, just in case I hear one, and sure enough, that's what happened. I'd heard him grunting. The does took off to my left, and one circled back around. He took off for her. I heard him growl. I growled, grunted back to him. He came right towards me. This is only maybe a 40-yard shot. If it would have been archery, he would, well, as you saw from the past video, if it would have been archery, it would have been pretty quick. I've been hunting for an hour. I think I got in my stand at 6:30. It's going on 7:30, so he's down right over there. I'll just give you a quick overview of the thicket. Here's how thick it is in here. And where he came from, is right here in front of me. And he's only down right there. Like I said, it looks to be an 8-point. So, we're going to get down, just go check him out. No track job, he dropped right where he was. Okay, you're walking right along with me. Rub right by my tree. Here's my tree stand. The wind was blowing from my right down towards my left down here. And he came right in front of me, dog and does. Let me get down here. Should have ranged it. I only think it's 30, 40 yards. No track job. That's where he dropped. It's be a decent 8-point. Oh yeah. He's an 8. Yeah, he's down right there. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Nice 9. Yeah. Oh, does he stink? He stinks. He's all rutted up. Yeah, thank you, Lord. Look at there. One, 2, 3. Well, I won't count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8. He's an 8. Well, I'm all tagged up. Here he is. Oh, yeah. He's a nice size. He's a hog. There you are. Nice PA deer right there on the first day. It's 7:30. I shot him. Still dropped right where he was. Nice. Decently heavy. Been rubbing a little bit. Not a whole lot, but I'll take him. He's gray. He's got a little gray in him. There you are. I can tell you right now, there's going to be a lot of meat on this guy. He's a big-bodied deer for sure. Curious on what his age will be, but the good old game master right there did the job again. 30-06 dropped right in his tracks. You saw in the video. Well, I gotta get the gutting him, get him out of here, and I got about a quarter of a mile drag to get him out. So it's gonna be a couple hours before I get him to the truck. Well, there he is. Got him all skinned out. I'm gonna let him cure for a little bit. Probably just gonna do a European mount, but that's all the further back I pulled the hide. But right now, I'm gonna go walk around. Trav's over. I'm up at the farm. Trav's in his stand. I'm just gonna see if I can't push something to him. So stay tuned.